What's up, YouTube? Been working on a shooting range. I built a berm yesterday. Unfortunately, I didn't shoot any video of it, but I'm add some poles today to mount the steel targets to, and I'll walk you through how I do that, and I'll show you the berm in just a minute. Need a couple tools. I'm gonna do my post hole digger. Assortment of screws. Screwdriver. And a couple pieces of hardware. So here's my cribbed wall. It's about 6 foot tall, 8 foot wide, 2 foot inside, and I filled it up with dirt, and that should stop about any bullet. And as long as I'm a reasonably good shot, which I am, I should be able to shoot here pretty safely. Plus, if it goes past here, it's highly unlikely anything to get past all these trees back here. So I think we're in pretty good shape. This will be a good spot. I'm gonna set a couple of poles up right here, and I'm gonna mount that piece of electrical conduit across there, and that's what I'll hang some steel targets off of. Okay, so I'm gonna lay this long piece of conduit down. Drill a couple of holes to sink the poles in. We'll go. Now, with any kind of luck, my post hole digger will start. Sometimes it's a little finicky. Okay, on. Put the choke in the start position. Give it a couple of pumps, but I've learned not too many. All right. That's a good sign. Alright, that went way smoother than I expected it to go. Drop my poles in. good. There we go. Now we didn't bring a shovel, so let's go get one. Let's fill our holes in. And take it from there. Stripped it out. Try that again. There you go. That's it. That's in there. Now let's hang the targets. Oh crap. Made a boo-boo. Made a boo-boo. I needed to put these on the conduit first. There we go. All right, and there we go. Got two AR 500 steel plates. It's set up and ready for some fun. Got a little berm back behind it. That should stop any stray bullets as long as I don't get too carried away. If I do get carried away, the wood should do a good job of stopping them. So anyway, here's the start of my range. I'm going to put more of these up, and I'll show you how I build them when I put the rest of them up. But I'm going to make a little range where I can walk through and engage multiple targets and make it nice and tactical. All right, everything's loaded up, ready to go. I got all my tools picked up. I'm going to leave these here because, as I said before, I'm going to build a few more. So these will come in handy. But there you have it. Very quick gun range. Glock 19, 15 rounds. Yeah, definitely need some practice. Did much better that time. Guess a little practice does work.
Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so you get notifications of all the new videos.